I am Prince Ivor from the island of Dabu Day, explorer extraordinaire, fearless adventurer. I have explored the deepest jungles. I have adventured into the deepest, darkest caves with the crazy bats that get stuck in your hair. But through it all, I was fearless.
Oh, hi there.
Purple snake, purple snake. Mommy.
Snake? Oh, I'm not a snake. I'm Nico. I'm sorry if I scared you.
Scared? I am fearless. You didn't scare me. You simply startled me is all. The name is Ivor, Prince Ivor, explorer extraordinaire.
Fearless adventurer, the bats in your hair. I know. I heard you the first time. What are you exploring for here?
Well, Nico, my little purple friend, you see, I have this vase. My grandfather found it in exactly this location years ago, and I, Prince Ivor, am going to find the rest of the treasure.
Wow, that's so cool. Can I see it?
Nico, good sir, you are in charge of it.
What? Really?
Back in a jiffy.
This is so cool. It's so shiny. I can see myself in it. Hey, good looking. Oh no. Oh no.
Well, Nico, my little friend, why do you look so worried? My vase, it's broken. What happened?
Well, what happened was that I was standing here. No, I was standing here, and I heard a noise coming from that bush, and I thought it was you, but it wasn't you. It was a big devil warthog, and it charged at me, and he knocked the vase to the ground, and I dove for it, but I couldn't catch it, and it broke.
Warthog? Did you say warthog? Mommy.
What's the matter?
We have to hide.
Why?
Well, a warthog you described, it's going to come back, and it's going to be angry. Oh, no.
Oh, man. But I thought you were never scared.
I'm not scared. I'm only startled.
Oh. Prince Ivor, there is no warthog.
What do you mean? It broke my vase.
No, it didn't. I did. I was playing with it because it looked so cool, and I knocked it over and it broke. I was afraid you would get mad, so I lied.
But why would you lie to me?
I'm sorry. I was scared.
Scared? I am never scared. And I'm certainly never scared of the truth. My little purple friend, honesty is always the best policy.
You forgive me?
Ugliest man alive. Huh. I can take this. Can't be that bad.
Ugliest man in the world? Huh. I'm not scared of anything.
Ah! That was one ugly man! Ah!
Back in the rainforest.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! I just love mail! Whenever I see an envelope with N-I-C-O on it, it just makes me so excited. Letters, cards, brown paper packages, they are just so much fun to open and see what they have inside. Like this one. It's from Billy, and he says, "Hey Nico, what is your favorite food to eat?" There are so many answers to that one. I love juicy grasshoppers and stink bug salsa, but I think my favorite food is purple coconuts. Here is another one from Julia. Wow, it's an invitation to my friend's birthday party. Oh, it's today. I've gotta go. Bye.